Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a lovely day today. I'm super excited because today I got in my ULTA shipment. I also made an in-store purchase from ULTA, so we're gonna get into that right now. So first of all, I only got a couple of things in store from ULTA, so we'll just go through those quick. I did some restocking on some favorites. I got some of the Real Technique sponges. They were on sale, buy one get one 50% off or something like that, so I got 2 of them. So these are what I use to apply my foundation and also my cream bronzer. They are superior for blending out foundation. They blend out beautifully, damp or dry. They're incredibly soft and squishy. They almost double in size when you wet them. They're just a great value sponge. Next up in store, I got the Milani Baked Powder Blush in the shade Berry Amour. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of a light berry shade with some golden pearlescent streaks going through it. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you. So that's what that looks like. Very pretty. I'm definitely excited to try this out. I've not tried any of the Milani baked blushes before, but I've heard nothing but good things about them. So yeah, I'm definitely excited to try this shade. It looks incredibly beautiful. And it's really silky and smooth. I'm really excited to give this a try. Now we'll move on to what I got in my shipment. First up, I did get a replenishment of my Super Peptide Serum from Good Molecules. It's good for all skin types. I use this all over the face. It's supposed to help with fine lines. It's just a lightweight gel serum. It absorbs into the skin beautifully. It's nice and hydrating, but not greasy or too much. So it's nice for oily skin like me, where I don't want too much on my skin during the day, especially under makeup. I'm definitely glad to have this back in my collection. Next up in my haul is not very exciting, but I did get some more of the ULTA brand cotton pads. These are just great for applying toners and serums that are a little bit more on the liquidy side. I use mine for the Paula's Choice salicylic acid BHA. I'll put a picture of it if I can. I use these for that toner, so it's nice to have extras of these. Next up, I did get another of the L'Oreal Panoramic Mascara in the shade Blackest Black. So I have used this before. In fact, I do have an open one. I'll show you the wand. This is just a beautiful, beautiful volumizing mascara. It's incredible for getting really dark, voluminous lashes. Adds a ton of volume, a ton of length. It's just all around a really good mascara. Next, I did get some more of the Glamnetic Magnetic Lashes. This is the style Gossip. And this is what they look like. So how I apply magnetic lashes is I apply one to the top of my natural lashes, and then I sandwich my natural lashes with another pair of magnetic lashes underneath. And I will definitely do a dedicated video on how I apply those lashes. And then I also did get the style XOXO. These are by far my favorite magnetic lashes. They hold up beautifully on the natural lashes, and they last a really long time. The quality is amazing, and I would definitely recommend them if you're looking for a magnetic lash. All right, up next, I got the Revlon Color Stay Limitless Matte Lipstick. I'll go ahead and swatch it. It's in the shade 012 Lead the Way. Ooh. It's a little bit darker than I thought it would be, but I think the color looks really pretty. And I do love this formula. Here's the wand. This formula is so nice. It is matte, but is very non-drying, and it lasts forever on the lips. So this formula is non-drying, and it lasts forever on the lips. And I'm definitely excited to try out this color. Okay, so for my last purchase item, I did get another liquid lipstick, and then I do have some free gifts I want to go through. I got the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is the shade Major Crush. Here is the wand. That's a really pretty shade. I'm definitely excited to give this a shot. This is my other favorite liquid lipstick formula. It lasts all day. It is super comfortable on the lips. My favorite shade is the shade Breakfast in Bed. It's a really pretty neutral nude. I'm definitely excited to give this one a go. And I did get a L'Oreal gift with purchase. It's this little bracelet. It says gorgeous on it, which I think is a nice little touch. Very cute little bracelet. And then Ulta was doing a gift with purchase. It was a makeup bag filled with a bunch of goodies, and there was a few you could choose from. So I chose the green makeup bag. This is what it looks like. And it came with, I believe, 13 different things, so I'll just quickly go through those. Looks like we have the Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum, Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, All-in-One Replump, from the brand Dime, TBT Cream, not sure what that means. From Giorgio Armani, I got a My Way perfume sample. From the brand Bioma, I got a moisturizing gel cream. Ooh, from Tom Ford, I got the Cafe Rose perfume sample. I've never tried anything from Tom Ford, so I'm pretty excited about this one. From Dermalogica, I got the Special Cleansing Gel. From the brand Avene, I got the Radiance Concentrated Serum. From Supergoop, I got the Everyday Lotion SPF 50. From the brand Belief, I got the True Cream. From Dolce & Gabbana, I got the Blue Jasmine perfume sample. And lastly, from Bumble & Bumble, I got the BB Thickening Dry Spun Texture Spray in Light. Alright, that is what I got from Ulta. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you'll consider subscribing before you go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.